In the realm of construction, events, and temporary accommodations, PortaCabins have emerged as indispensable solutions offering mobility, flexibility, and convenience. PortaCabin rental services cater to a wide range of needs, providing temporary structures that can be quickly deployed and adapted, from construction sites and industrial projects to events, educational institutions, and disaster relief efforts. PortaCabins offer versatile solutions that meet the demands of diverse industries and scenarios. One of the primary advantages of PortaCabin rental services is their flexibility. These prefabricated structures can be customized to suit specific needs, whether it's creating office spaces, accommodation units, classrooms, or storage facilities. They come in various sizes and configurations, allowing clients to choose the layout and amenities that best fit their requirements. This flexibility makes PortaCabins ideal for both short-term and long-term projects, providing a cost-effective alternative to traditional brick-and-mortar construction. Moreover, PortaCabin rental services off construction projects, which can take weeks or even months to complete. PortaCabins can be delivered and installed within days. This rapid deployment minimizes downtime and disruption, allowing projects to proceed smoothly and efficiently. Additionally, PortaCabins can be easily relocated as needed. Furthermore, PortaCabin rental services provide a range of amenities and features to ensure comfort and functionality. Modern PortaCabins are equipped with air conditioning, heating, insulation, lighting, and electrical outlets, offering a comfortable working or living environment in any climate. Additionally, PortaCabins are built to withstand harsh weather conditions and provide security and durability. Constructed from high-quality materials such as steel, aluminum, and fiberglass, they offer excellent resistance to corrosion, moisture, and impact. This durability makes PortaCabins suitable. Another advantage of PortaCabin rental services is their cost-effectiveness compared to traditional construction methods, which require extensive labor, materials, and time. PortaCabins offer significant savings in terms of both upfront costs and ongoing expenses. Clients can rent PortaCabins on a. Moreover, PortaCabin rental services can be tailored to meet specific budgetary constraints and project requirements. Whether it's providing basic accommodation units for temporary workers or creating fully equipped office complexes for construction management teams, rental companies can work closely